photographing? Or
No, we're doing a
talking?
video. We're at the Porsche at Amelia Island, the Porsche event, and this is the James Dean car that he drove back when he was with us. This is obviously a racing version. Very, very beautiful automobile. Perfect condition.
I mean, you really would have to have goggles, really, if you're tall at all.
Yeah, you definitely need goggles. No, it's a rear engine, but that's where the fuel cell. This car is in amazing condition. Probably low horsepower, but if it weighs very doesn't weigh very much, so I'm quite certain it's probably a pretty quick car. Yeah.